Let us see, greenhouse effect is a horror or a blessing for all of us. Well, solar radiations enter our earth and earth reflects back those radiations. So atmosphere plays a crucial role. Scientists have recognized the importance of this atmosphere. If atmosphere would not have been there, our earth would have been too cold for us to live. We would not have been able to survive on this planet. Let's see how it happens. Well, for this, the planet needs to maintain radiative equilibrium. Okay, what happens in this case? The solar radiation enters the earth in the form of short wavelength radiations, and the atmosphere actually reflects back most of these radiations in the form of long wave radiations, and some of the long wave radiations are also emitted by the earth's surface. Okay, but only 10% of those radiations escape into the atmosphere. Where does the rest of radiation go? Well, the rest of the radiation is actually absorbed in the atmosphere by the greenhouse gases. So this is how radiative equilibrium is maintained. So let us see, there are many greenhouse gases, but out of those greenhouse gases, water vapor and carbon dioxide play a very important part. So what happens when the solar radiation, they reach the surface of the earth, they are reflected back in the form of this long wavelength radiations, and this long wavelength radiations are absorbed by water vapor and carbon dioxide. So these greenhouse gases, they absorb this long wavelength radiation and they re-emit those radiation. So half of those radiations are emitted into the space, while half of these radiations actually stay in the atmosphere or the earth's surface. So this is how they actually re-emit this energy in all directions. So this is how they maintain what? They maintain radiative equilibrium. So this process by which the radiation actually is entering into our atmosphere and is radiated back by the earth's surface, and this balance is maintained, this radiative equilibrium is maintained, and this is actually regulating the temperature of the earth. This is known as greenhouse effect. If greenhouse effect would not have been there, then the earth would have been a too colder planet to live. We would not have been able to survive. Actually, a greenhouse is like this, where the plants are actually grown to provide them warmth, right? So that heat cannot escape from that greenhouse. So this greenhouse effect is actually there in our atmosphere. Let's summarize this. I told you these greenhouse gases, they actually absorb these radiations and they maintain the radiative equilibrium by allowing half of the radiation to escape and half of the radiation to be there in the atmosphere. So this is how the balance is maintained. This is known as what? This is known as greenhouse effect. So this is the way, the greenhouse effect, which is actually making our planet a very safe place for us to live, because it is actually regulating the temperature. If this greenhouse effect would not have been there, then I told you that this earth, this planet would have been a very colder place to live. Since the greenhouse gases are absorbing those radiations, because of the absorbance of those radiation by these greenhouse gases, this is leading to the temperature of the earth that is suitable for the survival of life forms on earth. If this greenhouse effect is not there, then the temperature would have been around minus 18 degrees Celsius, that is, below freezing point. We would have actually been into a frozen state. So this greenhouse effect is a blessing in that sense, but it's a horror in the sense, if the greenhouse gases actually they are sufficiently in larger quantities, this can lead to more absorbance of the radiations and the stay of those radiations in the atmosphere, which can eventually lead to rise in the temperature of the earth. And this can further lead to what? This can further lead to global warming. So it's a horror if the greenhouse gases are in large quantities in the atmosphere of the earth, but it's a blessing, because if this greenhouse effect would not have been there, then this planet earth would have been so much colder planet that life on earth would not have been possible, right? So greenhouse effect is a horror and a blessing too. Okay, so remember that the solar radiations that are coming or entering into the Earth's atmosphere, they are short wave radiations, and Earth is emitting back those radiations in the form of long wavelength radiations. Okay, so these long wavelength radiations, they actually just 10% of them escape, the rest is absorbed in the atmosphere by the greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases are many, but these two, the water vapor and carbon dioxide, they are the important greenhouse gases. They absorb these long wavelength radiations, and then the half of them they are just sent to the space, and half of them it remains in the atmosphere, making the temperature appropriate for the survival of life forms on the Earth.